Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Mark.
What time is it now?
It is 8:30 in the morning.
Oh no. We are late.
Yes, we have a meeting today.
I am still sleepy.
Me too, but we must hurry.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I did not.
I only drank water.
Let's eat later.
Okay. Let's go now.
We should take a taxi.
Yes, walking will take too long.
Look around. Do you see a taxi?
Yes, I see one.
It is yellow.
Wave your hand.
Taxi. Taxi.
Hello.
Hello.
Where do you want to go?
To the city center, please.
Okay. Please get in.
Thank you.
Is it far from here?
No. About 20 minutes.
Is there traffic today?
No. Roads are clear.
That is good.
Please drive carefully.
Don't worry.
This city looks very busy.
Yes, many people and cars.
Look at those tall buildings.
They are very high.
I like big cities.
Me too.
It feels lively.
Yes, full of life.
Do you live here, driver?
Yes, for 10 years.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
We are almost there.
Yes, 5 more minutes. We are here.
Thank you.
How much is the fare?
It is $22.
Here is 25.
Thank you.
Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Do you have a booking?
Yes.
Your name, please.
Mark Smith.
One moment, please. Yes, I see it.
We booked for 3 nights.
That is correct.
Can we have a quiet room?
Yes. Your room faces the park.
That sounds nice.
May I see your passport?
Here you are.
Please fill this form.
Okay.
What time is checkout?
11 a.m.
And breakfast time?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you.
Here are your keys. Room 612.
Where's the elevator?
On your left.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Welcome 2025.
Thank you very much. This room is clean.
And very quiet.
I like the window view.
I see the park.
Let's rest for a bit.
Yes, I am tired.
After that, we can eat.
Good idea.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
I am very hungry.
Me too.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
Yes.
I want chicken salad.
I want steak and fries.
How do you want your steak?
Medium, please.
And drinks?
Water, please.
Cola with ice.
Okay.
This place is cozy.
Yes, very comfortable. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Can you help us?
of course.
Where is the city hospital?
Go straight.
Okay.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Left. Got it.
Walk past the park.
Then?
The hospital is on the right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is the problem?
I feel tired.
I have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
A little.
Let me check. Open your mouth.
Ah.
You need rest.
Is it serious?
No.
What should we do?
Drink water and sleep well.
Thank you, doctor.
Hello.
Hello.
We need medicine.
Do you have a paper?
Yes.
Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 at night.
Do you have cough drops?
Yes.
Lemon, please.
How much is everything?
$35.
Can I pay by phone?
Yes.
Thank you.
Get well soon.
Look at this dress.
It is beautiful.
I like the blue color.
Can I help you?
Do you have medium size?
Yes.
Where is the fitting room?
Over there.
It fits well.
How much is it?
$45.
I will take it.
Hello.
Hello. Are these apples fresh?
Yes.
How much?
$3 per kilo.
We will take 2 kilos.
Anything else?
Tomatoes, please.
$10 total.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Is this the right bus?
Yes, number 15.
Can we pay here?
Yes, tap the phone.
Let's sit near the window.
I like watching outside.
How many stops?
6.
Okay.
Today was busy.
Yes, but good.
I learned many new words.
Me too.
Let's drink tea.
And rest well.
Tomorrow will be another good day.
Yes. Good night.
Good night.